So we're going to inspect it before we start the step. So inspect the outside, all the fittings. Make sure that free flow and EGS are closed. Okay, make sure don't check those palms or necessarily those palms on your dive. Okay, once you've done that, then your tender's going to open up that yoke for you, and then you're going to inspect the inside of the hat. Okay, hold the hat in your left hand, hold the umbilical in your right hand. Kane, why are you on your phone right now? Pull it up to your diver. Let's get hooked in. Okay, you happy with it? Yes. Now you can put it in sticky. Yep, put it off the pocket, make sure she's not fouled. Okay, hold on to that brass QD. Okay, reach back with your left hand, slowly equalize the bottle, equalize the pressure.
Good job.
Okay, hear that noise? There you go, now all the way with the pressure back. Verify that pressure in your bottle too. You can like with the QD now, because it's going to blow, it's already going to blow.
Inspect the hat.
Alright, we're gonna got pressure.
Okay, you're good. Throughout the pneumo. Up to the 2 D rings, down to the chest strap, down to the belly strap. Okay, hold that hat up for him so he doesn't have to bend over. He's a lot more uncomfortable than you are, believe it or not.
Take your cup.
Okay, go ahead, reach in on the inside of all the fittings, or excuse me, on the hose, and grab that side flash right to yoke up. No, you've got the weight.
I've got the weight.
Straight up, straight down. Make sure he's not getting fouled on that umbilical on the harness. Nope.
Wait, hold it. You got the weight? The nose goes up like a V, right?
Yeah, like the V goes up.
Okay, wiggle it around, make sure you're fit good. Grab that internal chin strap, tighten it. No, put that hat off.
Take it off.
Take it off. Take it off.
Okay, is your QD connected? Is your bailout bottle on? Is your pneumo routed? Any of that stuff? No, you're gonna have a bad day when you go to do that pneumo drill.
Yep.
Internal chin strap. Get that shit out of the way. Tuck it up out of the way. You're about to have a bad day too. Have you requested main air be restored yet? If you were to get hatted right now, you would not have any air. That's a bad day, okay? Verify you got that main air. Trust, but verify. Crack the free flow. Hit that purge. You gotta think like you've got a 5-year-old running a rack over there, okay? They're just turning fucking gauges and buttons and doing shit like that over there. We're gonna trust but verify. Hit that purge button. Okay, now we trust them. Now we can get hatted up. Pop that neck dam in the front. Squeeze that O-ring seal.
Got the weight?
Okay. Well, no, don't tell and say no. I don't have it. You've got it. Don't just be like, I got it. But no, not really. Because if that's me as a tender, what am I doing when I hear I've got the weight? Roger, I'm letting go. And if you're like, Brett, and you drop that fucking hat, oh Lord help you. Make sure he's not getting fouled up. No, this side. Yeah, let him 10. Well, you're going to 10. Or you're going to die. You're a 10. I know you. But you can walk him through it, okay? But it is his job, so he's going to get hands on it. Okay, tuck that internal chin strap out of the way. Make sure that's tightened. Get that out of the way. Okay, so your main air has been restored now too. When you get done with that, we're going to think that it's like a 5-year-old just running that rack over there. We're going to trust but verify. Crack that free flow, hit that purge button.
That new brake's tight though.
Okay, so we know that we're good now. Now grab that front tab of the neck dam, pop it in the front of the hat, pinch that O-ring all the way around.
Good job.
Check that neck pad, check every single thing that he put hands on as well. Check
What's
Your hand right there. You should feel the neck pad touching your hand.
here?
Yeah, go underneath. No, that was the more so just underneath the
So the black neck pad is not touching. No! Do not call for your own bailout. What are you supposed to do, Beltran? Tender check? Every single thing he put hands on, you're all supposed to put hands on to, including putting his gloves on, and check that back neck pad.
you can check them on the floor. Don't worry about that.
Put your gloves on. Ready to go? You good?
Soup check.
Soup check. Okay, bailout drill.
Good?
Okay, please down.
Make sure his bottle's all the way open, quarter turn back.
Diver body, restored, security, ventilate, ventilate.
Alright, pneumo.
You return to 0.
Diver 5, pneumo is restored.
Ready? Soup check.
Soup check.
Stand by. No! Do not call for your own bailout. I will tell you when to call for it.
You're doing good. Diver 5, pneumo pressure decreased. Main air secured. Ventilate, ventilate.
You are a goddamn liar over there. His main air is not secured.
Diver 5, main air secured. Ventilate, ventilate.
Watch that LP gauge. That's what you're looking at. When that reads 0, you're supposed to tell him something.
Diver 5, secure vent. Diver 5, main air restored.
Ventilate, ventilate.
Ventilate, ventilate.
Pull pins
Diver 5, pneumo
first. Pull pins
secured.
first. Okay. You and the neck pin. Okay, call for your bailout. Vent. No, not you. Just tell him main air secured. Close. Close. Move back. Move back.
Side and
Side block, yoke. 2500. Restore main air. Let me know you got the weight.
I got the legs.
Okay, close that yoke. Wrist back. Secure your bailout bottle. Okay, call for your pneumo drill. Find your pneumo.
One needle.
Number 3, pneumo restored.
You have to open the.
Yep. Wait for your ass. Okay, you're close. Free fall. Yes. And look.